For 70 years, Texans Credit Union has been a steadfast partner in the financial lives of our members, and 2023 was no different. Our dedication to improving members' lives and serving our communities kept Texans grounded in the importance of today, as we innovate and build a bright future together. That dedication has resulted in a year of advancement and growth across every area of the credit union. Texans Credit Union is positioned to provide you with the latest technology paired with a professional and friendly service. In 1953, 11 Texas Instrument employees pooled $55 to offer loans to their coworkers. 2023 has been a great year of success to celebrate the 70th anniversary of our formation. In a huge event at our Campbell Road office, Texans was joined by members, employees and their families, community and business partners, and city officials to celebrate the big anniversary and blow out 70 big candles. In 2023, Texans also scaled up our commitment to the communities we serve by entering into a multi-year partnership with McKinney ISD Athletics. This has been a great opportunity to support the financial well-being of the students and their families in the McKinney community. In addition, Texans supported the communities we serve through over 25 events. On top of the existing community support in the Metroplex, our major update in 2023 including adding a much larger group to the Texans Field of Membership, the entire state of Texas. This means that anyone who lives in Texas is eligible to be a Texans Credit Union member. Our statewide expansion is a significant milestone for the credit union, and we look forward to the opportunities it provides. This expansion is fueled by strong financial and membership growth over the last year. Texans' net worth improved to 10.12%, a milestone accomplishment of which our team is very proud. In addition, our membership increased by almost 5,000 members, bringing our total membership to over 122,000. Being well capitalized affords Texans the ability to increase its value to you, and I'm pleased to report that we gave back over $12.8 million in the form of dividends on your deposits. Texans continues to be a trusted partner for your lending needs, as evidenced by another year of positive loan growth. Despite tough economic challenges, our loan portfolio grew by over 4%, bringing our total loans to over $1.4 billion. Loan originations for 2023 ended up at over $548 million. Thank you for your continued trust with us for all of your financial needs. Texans Credit Union is well capitalized, focused on our mission, and poised for a season of growth and expansion to serve the entire state of Texas.
At Texans, we strive to elevate your experience at every touch point possible. We hope that you always have a smiling face to greet you and convenient services that are easy and simple to use. This past year, we upgraded many of our products and services and even introduced new ones to make banking with Texans an even more enjoyable experience. For instance, the debit card functionality was expanded, and so now your Visa debit cards are equipped with tap-to-pay, contactless technology, making checkout faster than ever. All you have to do is simply tap and be on your way. We didn't stop there. Coming soon, you'll have more control over your cards as we get ready to introduce better controls, alerts, and a few more settings to allow you to manage your cards within the Texans mobile app. Last year, we talked about how we were working to bring Zelle to Texans. Well, I'm pleased to share that in 2023, we did just that. Zelle is now live and ready for use. We've already seen so many of you taking advantage of this service, and we're excited for many more to give it a try. Now, we know that many of our members use us for their lending needs, and thank you for that. Even though interest rates have made it a little tough recently, we realize that many of you are still wanting to build that dream home, and we weren't able to help in that area as much as we'd like. So, we expanded a few of our real estate lending products, and we now offer construction loans and land loans for those of you that want to build that perfect dream house. You will soon see us announcing many more enhancements in real estate lending. Now let's hope that rates go down a little bit, make things a little bit easier on all of us. Listen, I hope you love being a Texan like I do, because we just made it a little easier to tell your friends and family about us. We introduced a new referral program that gives you a nice bonus as a thank you if you do just that. This program is completely automated and can be found on our website or inside digital banking. I encourage you to check it out. Give it a try. In 2023, we introduced the ability to live chat our team. And if you want to see who you're speaking to, we've added video chat. If you're needing a little extra help, want our team to give you a helping hand as we go through our systems, well, we have co-browsing to be there virtually. So no matter where you are, Texans is ready to serve you in the manner you feel most comfortable with. It also means that the amount of time to reach someone at Texans now only takes seconds, not minutes. Continued innovation is a top priority for us at Texans, and I can assure you that the entire team is hard at work to bring you more products, services, and upgraded features in 2024 and beyond. We have several items on the horizon that we cannot wait to share with y'all in the upcoming months. Lastly, I want to thank you for your membership and support of Texans. It is an honor to be a part of this organization and serve our members every single day.
Despite macroeconomic challenges, Texans Credit Union had a strong financial year. Specifically, our disciplined pricing strategies allowed the return on average assets to settle ahead of industry averages. As a result, the credit union contributed to member equity at a faster pace than our peer counterparts. The return on average assets, which measures net income in terms of average assets, ended the year at 1.10%. For reference, the industry average for ROA was 0.69%. Further, annual net income settled at $23.9 million, down from last year from $26.2 million. But if you recall, last year Texans received recoveries totaling $7 million through the Corporate Stabilization Program administered by the National Credit Union Administration, or the NCUA. The recovery was considered a non-operating income and a one-time anomaly. Thus, core earnings improved in 2023 when compared to the prior year. Strong earnings performance was largely attributed to controlled operating expenses. In 2023, operating expenses totaled $45.8 million, up from $42.9 million the prior year. Despite the increase, operating expenses continued to settle below industry averages, as evidenced by an operating expense ratio of 2.11%. For comparison purposes, the industry average for this particular ratio is 2.87%. Thus, Texans operates on a more efficient operating expense structure when compared to industry averages. Growth rates held relatively steady in 2023. Specifically, assets grew by $40.4 million or 1.87% over the past year. As a result, total assets settled at $2.2 billion. Member deposits grew by $13.8 million or 0.70% before settling at $2 billion at the end of the year. Loan losses were considered low in 2023. Specifically, the charge-off ratio ended at 0.12%, while the delinquency ratio ended at 0.21%. This caused the provision for credit loss expense to increase to $2.3 million. Although higher from last year, the charge-off and delinquency ratios continue to indicate there are low amounts of credit risk associated with our loan portfolio. Over the past year, net worth benefited from positive earnings. At year-end, net worth totaled $222 million after ending the prior year at $200 million. As a result, the net worth ratio, which measures total net worth in relation to total assets, continued on that upward trajectory. Specifically, the ratio crossed the 10% threshold by increasing from 9.26% to 10.12%. In addition, the risk-based net worth ratio, which considers the risks associated with the assets on the balance sheet, settled at 17.63%. These net worth ratios indicate Texans has a strong financial position and considered well capitalized as defined by the NCUA rules and regulations. Once again, I am proud to report that Texans Credit Union remains financially sound. Our favorable financial performance is attributed to the strong field of membership that we get to serve. We thoroughly appreciate our members who choose Texans to meet their financial needs, and we look forward to serving you and fellow Texans for many years to come.
At Texans Credit Union, we're committed to our communities and our employees just as much as we are to you, our members. Team Texans is dedicated to creating a welcoming, fun, and engaging environment where all employees have the opportunity to learn and grow from within the company. We do that so that we can better serve you, our members. One accomplishment we are especially proud of is that Texans was recognized as a 2023 top workplace by the Dallas Morning News. In fact, Top Workplaces ranked us as the highest rated financial institution nationally among companies our size. This recognition is a direct reflection of our team's commitment to making Texans an exceptional place to work. When our employees feel empowered and inspired, it fuels the world-class member service that you have come to know and expect from Texans. To help achieve our vision of being a financial partner for all Texans, we continue to invest in training and educational opportunities for our staff. In 2023, members of Team Texans received over 8,000 hours of additional training and education. Multiple staff members received industry recognition, certifications, and completed higher-level education programs. All of this ensures that anytime you interact with a member of Team Texans, you receive best-in-class service and knowledge. Philanthropy continues to be a cornerstone of Texans Credit Union. In 2023, members of Team Texans served over 650 hours in our communities through our Texans Gives Back program. In addition, we donated to local charities near and dear to our hearts, including Special Olympics Texas and the Veterans Center of North Texas. With your help, we were able to donate thousands of in-kind donations to the North Texas Food Bank, Dress for Success Dallas, and Hope Kids North Texas. Your generosity directly supports the communities we all live and work in, and it makes a huge impact. We are so grateful for your continued support. I would like to highlight just a few things that would not have been possible without the generosity of you, our members. Together, we donated over 2,000 pounds of non-perishable food items, providing over 1,700 meals to help hungry North Texans. We also hosted over 100 families of Hope Kids to celebrate the Halloween and Christmas holidays in a fun and safe environment. Your toy drive donations put smiles on everyone's faces. It has become a true Texans tradition that everyone looks forward to each and every year. People are always at the heart of everything we do at Texans, and we are so proud to be your financial partner.
In closing, I would like to thank our board of directors for their bold vision and support over the last year. Honestly, our success would have never been possible without the grit and determination of our management team, as well as our incredible staff. Together, we will continue to serve our members who have chosen to trust Texans Credit Union. While we celebrate our accomplishments in 2023, we want our members to know that Texans is prepared both financially and strategically to face any challenges and opportunities that 2024 may bring. On behalf of the Board of Directors, management team, and all of Team Texans, we want to express our gratitude for your trust, confidence, and continued support. After all, it's a great day to be a Texan.